This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Honda Accord Cross Tour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, variable cylinder management, a security system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.